Mid-State Seed, a leader in soybean processing, embarked on a journey to enhance production efficiency and seed quality with the help of Profile Industries.
After redesigning the plant, we discovered that one of the bottlenecks in our plant was the color sorters. We were asking it to do too much. It's a miracle machine, but we were asking it to do too much. We were trying to sort for color and for shape, and its capacity to do both is limited. So that was our bottleneck in being able to get the quantity that we wanted, but also it was limiting us on the quality that we could put in the bag. When we removed the spirals from this plant, we put the color sorters in. That left us a lot of room because the spirals took up quite a bit of room. Bringing the spirals back into that environment, we had to really bring things together. It did create a few challenges of how we're going to hit this, how we're going to be able to reach this tank. But working with Profile's been very easy, and they were really quick about getting back to us and getting us the information we needed on what we needed to do.
As you can see in the facility, there's not a whole lot of space, and many facilities that we visit are the exact same, where they don't have the space to put in a solution, even if they have a problem. They were able to find space and make it fit, and you can see it's a tight fit, but everything kind of flows naturally, going from the cleaner up to the powered spirals, and then that goes right from the powered spirals down to the color sorters. And so they're able to put it right above the color sorters to get optimum flow.
Profile Industries' rotary sorters were installed to address these challenges, delivering improved quality and efficiency.
The rotary spiral really does help in the overall quality. You used to open a bag and then you'd find, well, there's one that I'd really love to have gotten out. It'd be a green one, oblong, or something that really sticks out. I haven't really seen that it become an issue on what we've run this year through the rotary spirals. Not only does it take the load off the color sorters, but our end product is much better.
The rotary sorters have also positioned Mid-State Seed as a competitive leader in their region.
When we added the color sorters, it set us on a different level than other processors. I believe that adding the rotary spirals does exactly the same thing. It puts us on another level. If I were in their shoes, the people that we work with, I would want that too. I would understand that I'm making an investment trying to get better quality or more efficiency, as in lowering the clean out. Because in the end, what they're interested in is a number of clean units they have to go in their bag to meet their sales quota. And my job is to make sure it's the best quality that we can put in the bag.
My advice to others who might be in a similar situation as Mid-State is really take a look at space that you can use. There's a lot of different options we can do. We can hang them in the air, we can put them on the ground. There's all different kinds of options we can do to make them fit into your seed plant. Because especially when you're dealing with a problem, we'll have a solution that'll make the right fit. The return they'll see is they're gonna see lower seed loss. So they're gonna start seeing more of your bad quality seed going to the rejects. But what they're also gonna see, it's hard to put a number on this, but they're gonna see a much better quality in the bag. And when a customer opens their bag, runs their hand through the seed, what are they gonna see? And that's the true return that they're gonna get, is they're gonna get happy customers with good quality seeds, even on bad years.
Definitely would recommend other plants work with Profile Industries.
Profile Industries, sorting seed, shaping tomorrow.